This is how the old clothesline was being held up with a piece of wood inside the metal. I'm just gonna leave the wood inside the metal but hammer it down so it sits flush. Here I'm just setting it up and then leveling it out so I can tack it on. After I finish tacking the two pieces together, then I'm going to start an actual weld. I'm going to weld all the sides, and then since the clothesline will be under a lot of pressure, I will cut an extra piece of metal for support. Here's the piece of metal I'm cutting. After the piece of metal is cut, I just need to grind it clean so I can weld it on. Now I'm cleaning off the metal where I welded so the support piece will sit flat. Now I'm tacking on the support piece to the clothesline.
I'll be your kidney. Oh.
After I finish tacking it, I look to see if it was level and it looks good. So now I'm going to weld the rest. Now I'm welding the back side. It was pretty hard to weld in that small space, but I got it down the best I could. Now I'm welding the top and the other side. I cleaned up the welds with the grinder and now it's done.